have long hair. Very, very thick hair, as you can see. Um, sorry. So I'm getting ready to go to church with one of my sisters. Those of you who don't know me, I don't go to church, but um I decided to go today because one, my friend asked me to go, and two, I just feel like there may be a message that I need to receive stemming off of what I'm going through in life right now. So maybe the universe is sending me there, I'm assuming. Not sure, but I'm gonna turn the room around so you can see. My hairstyle. Ooh, it's a bit tangled. I haven't combed my hair in like 3 or 4 days because I don't comb it every day. And I'm gonna just twist it like this. And that's just to keep it from being tangled until I get to where I'm going. And then we're gonna take a chunk over here. Cause like, I don't know about y'all, but it gets so frustrating to me when all my hair is tangled and on my head just for so many days. After so long, it gets a little frustrating. So I named this channel my lymphedema journey. Last night I was able to get on YouTube and see find some new knowledge on lymphedema. There are stress relieving um, breathing techniques that you can do that that not only assist with stress relieving, but it also assist with the natural flow of the lymphatic system. Um, diaphragmic diaphragmic breathing is important. You are supposed to diaphragmically breathe, especially if you are a melanated being. Um, how we begin to breathe differently, I have no idea. I guess when they tell you to Inhale, exhale. That's not how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. That is how you're supposed to breathe. Um, I know factually, as a melanated being, that is how you're supposed to breathe. Um, Not sure if that goes for everyone, but I know it goes for us melanated people. But just for anybody that has had like a long stressful day, I am going to make a video where I am showing you those different breath techniques to relieve stress at that given moment, or to be able to find a state of meditation. It allowed me to go into a state of meditation. Like, it was very, 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 very helpful. Very, very helpful. And I was able to meditate, and it relieved some stress. Um, we almost got this baby all together. I had to talk to her, y'all. I have to talk to her sometimes, because sometimes she don't be wanting to get right. Like, she don't be wanting to get right. So I have to get her right. And our hair, I feel like it's like our plants, you know? You have to talk to it to make it do what you want it to do. And if you didn't know that, your hair holds memory. Um, all over your body holds memory. So women, um, not to deter you from your normal hygiene ritual, but just to inform you on some real, real spiritual, like true facts in life that, girl, leaving that thing, leaving what was supposed to be on that thing alone, and intertwine it with your mate. Who? Okay, yeah. Always remember, your hair holds memory. Your hair is strength. Your hair receives and sends information to parts of your body, parts of your partner's body. We don't realize that, but it do. Like, it's just like fluid to fluid. It's the same. Like, it's magic. It's magic, ladies. It's magical. Like, my allegedly, um I was reading, and it allegedly stated that women shaving their pubic hairs came from porn. I know some of us have watched porn a time or two in our lives. And when I was younger, the porn that you would see, the women had hair. And as time evolved, the women began to not have hair on their vagina. And that influenced the rest of the world. And women, oh, you're supposed to shave their hair And then they started coming up with reasons why you shave it. And then you have a lot of women that go without shaving, period. But what deterred me from it completely, well, I ain't gonna say completely, not to put everybody in my business, but I ain't been delivered completely. But what deterred me from it to practice it, um, I went and got a Brazilian wax. And let's just say that Brazilian wax was torturing. And I told my husband I would never, ever, 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 ever do that again. Like, no. That is signing up for what? Pain? I don't sign up for pain. So I did not like it. I did not do it more than once. Let's just say that, because that was a devastating moment for me. And we almost done. Feel like I got one more to single out. Come in, because those curves pull back up and tighten back up. And this is just to help my ends stretch out some. The hair stretch out. And by the time we get to where we're going, yeah, I'll just be able to just pull it out. And all that you see, if you can't see it, shedding or just dead ends that want to come off, and they come off. People always say, oh, I gotta get my ends clipped, I gotta get my ends clipped. But as a cosmetologist, I've learned myself to know that split ends, cutting them, is only for like decoration. Like, your hair should be to the point to where your dead ends just shed off themselves. Like, shed off themselves. As children, we didn't get our hair cut for because our ends was too nappy. I don't know. My mom didn't do that. So, hmm. So there it is. I twisted it up. I'm gonna wait before I get where I'm going to take it down and throw out the style. And remember, there is nothing I cannot do. And I hope I said something to enlighten you a little more in life. And tune in. Just tune in for more, because I have more coming. Yes. And thank you thus far.